Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be learning how to add and subtract binary numbers. So you can add and subtract binary numbers just like you would add and subtract base 10 numbers. For example, let's start by adding a base 10 number, right? So if we say 538 plus 244, I guess. You add these together. The way you do this is you start from the right and go left. And you basically just add, right? So 8 plus 4 is 12. You're basically putting the 2 here and taking the 10 and putting it here. And then now you do 1 plus 3 plus 4, which is 8. And 5 plus 2, which is 7. So 538 plus 244 is 782. If you need a review on this method, then you can search up addition algorithm, and you could maybe see some videos on this way of adding. But if you're all set on that, then let's just get into the binary, right? So it's the same thing as base 10. You start from the right and go left. And you say 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, right? 2 in binary is 1, 0. So you're putting the 0 here. You're putting the 1 here. Okay. Okay. And then you have 1 plus 1 plus 0, which is 2, right? So you're putting the 0 here, 1 here. Again, because 2 is 1, 0. And 1 plus 0 plus 1 is again 2, which is 1, 0. So you're putting the 0 here, putting the 1 here. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, right? And what is 3 in binary? It's 1, 1. So now you put the 1 here, and then you put the 1 here. 1 plus 0 plus 1 again is 1, 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, 1. Okay, so now let's get into subtracting. We're going to also be using subtraction algorithm. So if you haven't heard of that, then you can look up a video on it. But we'll just do a quick review for now. So if we have the same numbers, I actually kind of forgot. So 538, I believe. And then minus 244. You go from right to left, and you say 8 plus 4 is 12. And now, oh, sorry, this is subtraction. Oops. 8 minus 4 is 4. 3 minus 4, well, you can't do that, right? Because 4 is bigger than 3. So this 5 becomes a 4, and this 3 becomes a 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So 538 minus 244 is 294. Cool. So we can do the same thing in binary. Oops. Let's keep the addition on. Okay, we can do the same thing in binary. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1, we can't do that. So we take this 1 becomes a 0. So we're subtracting 1 from it. And then this 0 becomes a 1, 0, which is basically 2, right? So 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So check if we did this correct, right? So 1 minus 1 is 0. 1, 0 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Cool. So now you might be asking yourself, right? Why can't I just convert these into base 10 and then add or subtract? Right? Because you already know how to convert binary into base 10 and base 10 into binary. If not, then you can go back and watch those videos. But why shouldn't we do that, right? Here's an example why. If you have a number, say 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And you want to add plus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Right. Equals. This would be a nightmare to convert into base 10. So, but actually, if you just do it using this method, it's very easy. So yeah, if you were to convert this into base 10, it would take like an hour maybe. But now we can actually just go like this, right? 1 plus 1 is 1, 1. Oh, sorry, 1, 0. Oops. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, 1. And then blah, blah, blah. And then you get like this. Okay. So it's much faster this way. And let's see if we did it correct. Oh, I accidentally deleted some drawings. Oh, well. Okay, looks like we did it correct. Oh, and also remember that the zeros before the leftmost one are not important. So if you had, I think my answer was like this. These 2 zeros before the first one, they don't matter. We don't want them. Okay, that's basically it. I'll have you try some practice problems. And then, yeah, you can pause the video to try these. Then I'll show the answers in 3, 2, 1. Oops, where are the answers? Come on. Okay. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.